Have you ever heard the terms multi-channel, cross-channel, and omni-channel marketing and thought, aren't they all just different ways of saying the same thing? If so, you're not alone. Many people confuse these terms because they all involve using multiple platforms to reach customers. But here's the key. The way these channels work together is what makes each approach unique. Today, we're breaking it all down. What each one means, how they differ, and why omnichannel marketing stands out as the most effective strategy. Also, in this tutorial, we will cover the seamless customer experience, what it is, and why it is important. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with multi-channel marketing and its basics. Multi-channel marketing simply means using multiple platforms to communicate with customers. These platforms can include websites, social media, emails, mobile apps, physical stores, call centers. The key characteristic of multi-channel marketing is that each channel operates independently. There's no real connection or integration between them. Let's have an example of multi-channel marketing. Say, there is a retail brand is using a website for online shopping, a Facebook page for promotions, email newsletters for customer updates, physical stores for in-person shopping. Each of these channels works on its own. A customer who buys something in the store may not see personalized recommendations when they visit the website, and their email preferences might not influence the type of ads they see on social media. So, while multi-channel marketing gives customers many ways to interact with a brand, it doesn't create a connected experience. Now, let's move one step further. Cross-channel marketing. Cross-channel marketing, a more connected approach. Cross-channel marketing builds on multi-channel marketing, but adds some level of integration between the channels. Instead of operating in isolation, the channels work together to improve the customer experience. This means that if a customer interacts with a brand on one channel, that action can influence their experience on another channel. So what are the key features of cross-channel marketing? 1. Channels share data and communicate with each other. 2. Customers can switch between platforms without starting over. 3. Marketing efforts connect rather than working in silos. Example of cross-channel marketing. Let's say a customer browses a clothing brand's website and adds a pair of shoes to their cart, but doesn't complete the purchase. Later, they receive a retargeting email reminding them about the shoes, see a social media ad with a special discount for the same product, visit the store in person, and find that an associate already knows what they were interested in. Here, the brand uses multiple channels that are connected, so the customer's journey feels more streamlined. But while cross-channel marketing offers some level of integration, it still doesn't create a fully seamless experience. That's where omnichannel marketing comes in. Now let's talk about the gold standard, omnichannel marketing, which is the ultimate customer experience. Omnichannel marketing takes things to the next level by ensuring that every channel is not just connected, but fully integrated, providing a seamless and personalized experience. The biggest difference? Omnichannel marketing is designed around the customer, not just the platforms. Here are the key features of omnichannel marketing. All platforms are fully integrated. Customer data is shared across all channels in real time. The experience is continuous. Customers can pick up where they left off, no matter where they engage with the brand. Example of omnichannel marketing. Imagine you're shopping with a high-end beauty brand. You browse skincare products on their website but don't buy anything. Receive a personalized text message with a special offer on the exact product you were considering. Visit their Instagram page and see a tutorial featuring that product. Go to the store and the salesperson already knows what you were interested in, offering you a free sample. Later, receive a follow-up email with skincare tips based on your purchase. This is true omnichannel marketing, where every platform not only works together, but also recognizes and remembers the customer's journey. Now let's break it down in a way that makes it crystal clear. The key differences: multi-channel versus cross-channel versus omnichannel 1. Multi-channel marketing is like having separate, independent touchpoints. Example, a store has a website, social media, and an email list, but they don't interact with each other. 2. Cross-channel marketing adds some connection between platforms. Example, a customer browses online, then sees an ad about that same product on Instagram. 3. Omnichannel marketing creates a fully seamless, personalized experience across all channels. Example, the customer's journey is recognized and continued across every interaction, whether online, in-store, or through an app. Let's put it another way. Multi-channel is like a radio station broadcasting to different locations, but listeners don't interact with each other. Cross-channel is like a group chat where people can respond, but conversations don't always carry over. Omnichannel is like a live conversation where every interaction is remembered and the experience flows naturally. Now let's discuss why omnichannel marketing is the future, and why should brands focus on omnichannel marketing instead of just multi-channel or cross-channel. The answer is simple. Customer expectations have changed. So what does customers expect today? 1. Personalization. Brands should remember their preferences and past interactions. 2. Seamless transitions. They don't want to restart their journey every time they switch devices. 3. Instant support. Whether it's a chatbot, email, or phone call, they expect fast and relevant responses. Omnichannel marketing doesn't just meet these expectations. It exceeds them by making every interaction feel effortless and meaningful. So, to wrap it all up, multi-channel marketing uses many platforms, but they don't interact. Cross-channel marketing connects some platforms, but still has gaps. Omnichannel marketing fully integrates every platform, creating a seamless experience. And in today's world, where convenience and personalization drive customer loyalty, omnichannel marketing is no longer just an option, it's a necessity. In our next tutorial, we will dive deeper into the omnichannel experience with a focus on the seamless customer experience, which is why omnichannel marketing is the future in any industry that is targeting a customer. So, till then, have a good day and see you soon. Thank you.